Uh, Good morning. Today we are going to talk about how to change your career from a Linux admin or Windows admin to the cloud ops guy. So if you see the roles and responsibility of cloud ops guy with Windows, basically it will be almost same. Only in this case we try to manage the cloud infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure, it will be a platform as a service or infrastructure as a service. Okay. So basically, when you are managing your VMs or any virtual machines or any kind of patching, so you're going to take care of your cloud infrastructure. So for that, you should have the basic understanding of your cloud, how it's hosted, and what are the regions you are there. So if you want to change your career from Linux admin or Windows admin to this, it's easy to switch over, okay? And only you have to know some basics and some concepts, how to connect the machines and what is a firewall, some settings actually. If you see the roles and responsibility, it is almost same. But only thing is that they might add some of the stuffs related to the cloud infrastructure. If you see here, they're telling that you need to manage your Hyper-V as well as your AWS and Azure infrastructure. And any kind of release and build, of course, how you are take caring in your existing Linux window, same process you will going to follow it. Any patching, all this thing, you are going to same process. But in case of your cloud thing, you are going to manage the AWS and Azure. And you have to work on multiple environment. So these are the qualifications. So it will be easy who are already working as a Windows or Linux and they want to convert their career to the cloud environment. So it will be easy. And just they need to understand the basic concept of Azure and this thing. Yeah, that is a thing. And when you want to, if you're planning to do any certification as a cloud practitioner, so it is easy to get a job because most of the interviewer companies are asking for certifications. But if you have certifications, it doesn't mean that you are not. I mean, it's a part of prerequisite. Okay, you should have a hands-on. Okay, so I will help it out how to create a hands-on based upon these things. We will prepare some course content according to this. So if you see here, they're asking some basic scripting. So you're not going to do any coding, but you should understand the coding because some scripting will run to patching or this one. You need to tweak it. Okay, so you should know basic scripting, like basic scripting. You're not going to develop from existing. You're just managing the scripting. So you know a little bit scripting, and you should know because the scripting will do some backup or some snapshot that you should understand. And some services like App Server or Docker, you should have some little bit knowledge. Okay, you're not going to create any Docker file on this one. The existing system you have to manage it. So these are you are going to support. And if you see Salt, Ansible, these are the configuration management. So you're not going to write it, but you're going to manage this. So you should have the basic understanding how the Ansible scripts works, how it is going to deploy the packages via SSH. That you should aware of. Okay. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next lecture.